Good morning, ka-truckers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Oliver the Trucker. As requested by one of our subscribers from a foreign country, he requested that we should speak English during our vlog. Anyway, we will grant your request. Now, for this morning, we will feature the Shakman H3000S 6x4 dump truck with CIMC 40,000 liters trailer fuel tanker. Alright, ka-truckers, what are we waiting for? Let's go! This is the Shakman H3000S 6x4 tractor head, 2023 model, powered by Weichai engine, 420 horsepower. This is a Euro 2 emission standard engine, and then the pulling capacity of this tractor head is ranging from 60 to 80 tons. And then this Shakman H3000S tractor head is partnered with the new CIMC trailer fuel tanker. As you can see, this huge tanker is used by our client with their fuel supply business. As you can see, this is a 40,000 liters fuel trailer tanker, and it has 6 compartments. All right, first compartment is 10,000, the second compartment is 6,000, and the third compartment is 4,000, the fourth compartment is 6,000, fifth compartment is 4,000, and the last compartment is 10,000 liters. All right, ka-truckers, you are wondering why it has compartments. So it is a requirement by the DOST that compartments must be with this fuel tanker, because they can separate the different kinds of fuel, like diesel, gasoline, right, even oil. So this tanker is not only for fuels. It can also be loaded with lubricants or even food oil. It depends on the client where he will use this trailer tanker. All right, let's go back here. We will see these axles, no? This CIMC fuel trailer tanker is a tri-axle. These axles are made from FUA company. This is a 10 stud. And it has also 11R 22.5 tires. So this tanker is what you call a heavy duty fuel tanker. And this let's take a look at the landing gears. You can see this landing gears are made by Jost company. So the landing gears, which are heavy duty. All right, so we can see here the main fuel suction hose. Yeah, you can see that tube, big tube. All right, and then and the other side is also the another suction hose. All right, and then you can see here the water exhaust. All right, so it is marked also as a flammable, no smoking within 50 feet. This is very important markings because this machine or this equipment is loaded with fuels. That's why safety is a must. All right, let's go to the tractor head. By the way, this tractor head is already equipped with PTO, or what you call the power takeoff. We will take a look here under the transmission. So the power takeoff is attached to the transmission, so that if the client wants to install a fuel pump, suction and throw out system, it's very easy. That's why this Shackman H3000S tractor head is PT already, so no problem. When the client wants to install a what you call the fuel pumps, it will be very easy and convenient for them. So as I have said a while ago, this the set of tractor head and CIMC fuel tanker trailer, 40,000 liters, is used by clients with fuel supply business. So all of you out there, ka-trackers, that are interested in buying or purchasing this kind of truck and trailer, please don't hesitate to call 0916-686-5523 or 0918-363-0329. And we will also want to acknowledge Optimus Trucks and Heavy Machineries OPC for letting us review their unit. So if those interested, you can also visit Optimus Trucks and Heavy Machineries, Tacloban City, also in May Kawayan, Bulacan. You can also visit. So just call their number 0916-686-5523 so that you will be assisted by their sales representative. All right, ka-trackers, thank you for watching our video, and I hope our subscriber from one of our subscribers from a foreign country that requested our vlog to be in full English. All right, your request is granted. Thank you very much for watching. Keep subscribing Oliver the Tracker. Good luck to your business and God bless.